In this video I'm going to show you how to black out text in a PDF file for free. So what we need to do is basically we have a PDF document and we would like to cover up some text because there is privacy sensitive information in it. Let's say we would like to cover up this text. Unfortunately in this browser it is not able to edit it, so we need to go to our web browser. And where we are going is google.com and then search for SEGDA. And we will click on the first link. So let's go there and now click on edit a PDF document. Click on upload PDF file and we will upload our PDF file. Select it and open it, and now it will load into this program. So the next step is basically to choose or search for the text which we want to cover. And once we have found that, let's say we would like to cover this up, then we will click on whiteout. And once you have done that, then you can drag with your left mouse button hold over the text, and then you will make a square. As you can see, it's now turned into a white square, but we would like to make it visible that we have covered up some text. So let's change the background. Click on it and make it black. Now you have covered up the text. And the next step is to apply your changes. After that it will process, and once you have done that, then you can simply download this PDF file again with the text blacked out. So now you have different options: save to Dropbox, save to OneDrive and save to Google Drive. For now I will save it as to my computer. And as you can see, we can create a file name. Once you have done that, click on OK, and this PDF document with the blacked out text will be downloaded. And that is how you black out text in a PDF file.